Hello everyone.
Welcome to Food as Medicine channel. High protein soup, which is made out of peas. 1 cup of cooked peas contains 13 grams of protein and 8 grams of fiber. It has very less calories, which is around 62 per cup. Have this soup once in a week to get enough protein. It will take minimum 15 minutes of preparation. Let's see this. In a cooking pan, add 1 spoon of butter. Add 5 nicely chopped garlic. Garlic is really good for health and it will reduce a gastric issue. Just roast this garlic in butter for minimum 1 minute or it turns light brown. Add 2 cups of fresh peas. Here I have taken the frozen peas. If you are adding frozen peas, just wash it with water and keep it in water for minimum 15 minutes. Just mix all these peas with garlic and cook it for minimum 2 minutes. Add half spoon of salt for taste. If you want to add more salt, you can add it. Now add 3 cups of water to this. After adding water, mix all these ingredients very well. Peas needs to get boiled for minimum 5 minutes. You could see the froth on top of it after 3 minutes of boiling. For vegetarians and vegans, there is less protein. So we have to take peas in any form once in a week. Just mix the soup every 2 to 3 minutes. After 5 minutes of cooking, take some of the peas from the soup and then grind it in a mixie. That needs to get cooled down and then grind it. If you want to add water, you can add little. Don't take all the peas from the soup, let it boil continuously. After grinding, add the grounded paste to the soup. Now the color of the soup changes. See how wonderful it is. Add corn flour water to this. Add 1 spoon of corn flour to quarter cup of water and mix it very well. There should not be any lumps. After adding the grounded paste, just boil it for minimum 4 minutes and your soup will be ready. This quantity of soup will come for minimum 4 people in a family. Just have this soup during the evening time or for dinner. Definitely this will help, and garlic also plays a role in removing the gastric issues. Just sprinkle some coriander leaves. Add quarter spoon of pepper powder. Mix it very well and your soup is done. Hot high protein pea soup is ready. Transfer to the serving bowl. Try this recipe and leave a comment. Thank you.